Wave curry! Pilau rice! Oh my! Oh my word! Oh, hey guys, how you doing? Just come home from storm down. It's a bit crazy out there, it's a bit windy. Oh, cool. Ah, right, cool. So we've got a good one for you today, guys. We've got a microwave curry. Just want to give a shout out to Emma. She has requested this for us to do. Cool. So we got the Dragon's Fire curry here, guys. So this is pretty cool. We've got a bit of pilau rice as well. So as you can see, guys, we've got 2 bowls here. So this is actually Alan's food today, but he said I can have a little bit of it. So cool. So we'll do that. We'll give that a go. Right. So we're gonna take this off here, guys. So this is from chilled. You can do it from frozen. If from frozen, it is a little bit different. But from chilled, we do pierce the old lid. There we go. We do even number. And then what we're going to do, guys, we're going to pop this in the old microwave for about 3 minutes. And then take, oh, that smells amazing, I'm not going to lie. So pop that in there for about 3 minutes. We'll let that go, guys. We'll see how it turns out in a second. And then we'll do the pilau rice. We'll put it in the old bowls. We'll get it all tested. And we'll go from there, guys. So stay tuned. Hey guys, just getting some rehydration because it's going to be a very spicy curry. So we've got about 30 seconds left, guys. So with the pilau rice, what we're going to do, you're going to crush it up. Make sure it is nice and crushed there, guys. We have done the rice before. I remember we used a ruler to kind of measure the little slit at the top because we did have some people kicking off about that. So we're just going to guesstimate again today, guys. I'm not going to do what I have done in the past where I kind of I thought I peeled it, but I actually didn't. Put it in the microwave, had a massive bang, and the friggin' it just exploded. So hopefully that won't happen again today. So that's almost done there, guys. So we're going to peel, there we are, so that's about 2 centimetres. There we are. Cool, right, so this is that. So it is going to be very, very hot, guys. I think that this is going to be about 50,000 degrees when you take it out. You can hear it sizzling. So pull this out. And then we're going to pop the old rice in. So the rice, guys, goes in about 2 minutes or so. So we put that on for about 2 minutes. And then with the curry, guys, we're going to peel the lid off. Oh, look at that. Oof. That looks absolutely amazing. I'm not going to lie, that is like super epic to be awesome. So yeah, peel it off, guys, we give this a little bit of a stir. Oh my days, what the hell? Days, what the hell just happened? So exactly as I was explaining, guys, it just exploded. Yeah, cool. So we give that a little stir. We're going to give this mess a bit of a clean up because it's gone all over the floor. Yeah, cool. So stay tuned, guys, and we'll see you in a bit. Oh my god, it's exploded. Oh my word. Hey guys, sorry about the delay there. As you just saw, we just did have a little mini explosion. As I explained it before, and then it happens again, so this is just my luck really. Right, cool, so pilau rice is done now, guys, so we have given this a little stir. I'm quite scared of this now in case it does explode in my face again. It did make quite a mess. It literally went all over it literally went everywhere bar my apron. So that, it's obviously quite a good apron because it stopped me from getting dirty. So cool. Right, so take it out, guys. It's going to be very, very hot, guys. Cool, right, so give that a bounce, get the old rice separated. So you're going to peel this off, guys. So it's very, very hot, as you can see all the steam coming out. Do it from your hands. Oh, there we go. Right, cool. So we put a tiny bit in my bowl, guys, and we're going to put the rest in Alan's. So we'll put a little bit in there, and then put the old, oh look at that. That is looking pretty cool. Right, and then we get the exploding curry. So that hot, guys, that it explodes, so just be careful. So we'll put a little bit on mine. There we are. And then we'll put some on Alan's as well. Not gonna lie, mate, that is looking pretty awesome. That is quite a lot of curry. So there we are. Awesome. Right, cool. So I've got my drink ready because it's probably going to be very, very hot. I hope it doesn't explode like that in my body because there might be a hell of a mess to clear up. So we're good to go. So it's probably going to be very, very hot, guys. So trying to get a little bit of chicken. Oh, that is pretty cool. That is absolutely amazing, I'm not going to lie. I do hope Alan does enjoy his as well. So yeah, cool guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video, guys. Leave some comments below, and I hope you guys have enjoyed the video.